good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 8 from verse 22 to verse 25. All the breeze and wave them, listen Jesus. One day, Jesus and his special follower them, they go in a one boat and he said to them, make we go over the other side of the lake. So then go. When them a sail cross, Jesus drop asleep. Now, one trang breeze come down upon the lake and the boat start full up of water so till everybody did out for drown. Jesus' special follower them wake him up and say, Lord, we are going to drown. Jesus get up and order the breeze and the wave them for settle down and everything get calm. When not trusting in me there, Jesus asked them. They're so frightened when they see what Jesus do. They ask them one another, Tap, what kind of man this? Him talk to all breeze and wave and then do him tell them to do? A Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.